Magandang hapon po. Ako po si Andrew. Yan po ang nanay ko. Mrs. P, what's happening? Okay, dito kami sa Jollibee ni Mama. Pasensya po, hindi po namin napakita yung part 1 ng Jollibee buffet namin ni Mama.
Anong buffet?
Hindi ba buffet yun, Mama? A la carte lang ba yun? So, Mama, anong nandito? Two-piece chicken.
Oh, but Andrew just finished eating Aloha Junior and one like this.
Wow.
And
Different.
fries.
Yeah. Talagang well accounted for, Mama. Mama, would you be kind enough to take a video of me, enjoying?
Okay, make it fast then. Okay.
Ayos mo yung framing, Mama.
Ay, hindi ko kwan eh.
Nakaano naman yun, Mama. No need to be too far. Pero ayun na. Everyone, dito na po tayo. Sa wakas, kakain na ng Chicken Joy, the best in the world, with gravy. Nagkamali yung nandun sa reception, sa counter. Hindi nila ako nabigyan ng, alam mo na, extra love, extra rice. So, unfortunately, yung binigay sa atin is wing at saka, I don't know what this is, breast portion. So, the proper way of eating Chicken Joy is not with this one. You need to use your fingers. Right. Buka natin. Right. Sarap. Ang sarap. Ba talaga? Mrs. P.
That's enough.
Ang dami yung 6-piece chicken.
Take out.
Take out kasi hindi daw kayo ni Mama. Merenda lang ako ngayon. So, bahala na daw si Tonton na baby. Bahala na daw si mamaya. Si Mama kay Tonton na baby. Meron ding Aloha Junior si Papa mamaya. Wait, Mama. So everyone, I just wanted to let you know, I'm having a great time here in Baguio City. Wala talagang tatalo sa Jollibee. And Bianca, cheers. Okay naman.